6x square, 6x square. 2 minus 2. All are cancelled. We get 0. 0 is the answer. That means D is the answer. D is the answer. That's all. Next problem. If, next one. If sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2, then theta equal to dash. Then theta equal to dash. First option given 0 degrees and second option B given 30 degrees and third option C 45 degrees given, fourth option D 60 degrees given. Which of the correct answer? So here sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2, then theta equal to. So first of all we write sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2. Throughout theta, root 2 is divided on both sides. So 1 by root 2 sin theta plus 1 by root 2 cos theta equal to root 2 by root 2. That is, we take sin function here. Here also same. Sin convert into sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We get sin of A plus B or sin of A minus B formula. But here sin theta here cos 45 take sin theta plus here cos theta take sin 45. Next cos theta equal to root 2 cancel 1. So cos A sin A cos B here plus cos A sin B. We know formula sin of A plus B. So very simple, sin of A plus B. So sin of here A mean theta, B mean 45 equal to 1. So sin of theta plus 45 equal to 1. 1 in sin table, sin 90. Sin 90 we know already this value. Sin 90 equal to 1. Both sides sin function leave it. Theta plus 45 equal to 90. So theta equal to 90 plus 45 change minus 45. Theta equal to 45 degrees. So answer is 45 mean C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. So this is the A sin theta. A sin theta plus B cos theta equal C. Any model, this type of model divided C divided C or C equal to root of A square plus B square, any one. C divided C equal to root of A square plus B square model, or here root 2 divided. So once again sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2, then theta equal dash. The given options A 0, B 30, C 45, D 60. So given sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2. This is the one type of model. A sin theta plus B cos theta equal C. The equation converted into A sin of A plus B or cos of A plus B, sin of A minus B and cos of A minus B. Any one, we divide C equal to root of A square plus B square. That is. So A square. So A mean here there is no value 1. There is no value 1. So A equal to 1, B equal to 1. A square plus B square mean root of 1 square plus 1 square. C equal to root of A square mean 1 square plus 1 square. Root of 1 square mean 1 plus 1 root 2. That is the one type of. Or C root 2 is divided both sides. So 1 by root 2 sin theta. Then this one also same, 1 by root 2 cos theta, root 2 by root 2. Next sin theta here cos theta we conversion into sin of A plus B or cos of A plus B. Already sin theta given, here cos theta take. So cos 45 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 write as sin cos 45 sin theta. Here cos theta already given. We take a sin function sin 45 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 as right sin 45. Cos theta root 2 by root 2 same values cancellation, 1 by 1 mean 1. So here sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, This one write as sine of a plus b. We know this formula already, previous class I told. Sine of a mean theta, b mean 45 equal to 1. Sine of theta plus 45 in sine 90 equal to 1. So sine 90 take for 1. So both sides sine leave it, and theta plus 45 equal to 90. Theta equal to 90 plus 45 will be changed minus 45. Theta equal to 90 minus 45, that is 45. The option is C. C is the 45. C is the answer. Another problem. Root of 1 minus sin a, 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, plus root of 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a, 1 minus sin a equal to dash. So first option A, 1 by cos a, 1 by cos a. Second option B, minus 2 by cos a, minus 2 by cos a. Third option 2 by cos a, 2 by cos a. Fourth option minus 1 by cos a, minus 1 by cos a. So this is the one type of problem. Root of 1 minus sin a, 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a. In trigonometry functions anywhere, root function is also come to take rationalization. Rationalization means plus, denominator rationalization. Plus or minus multiplication and division. Here also same 1 minus sin a. Same way plus root of 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Same model. Root also same 1 plus sin a. Rationalization means denominator minus with plus, plus with minus, opposite symbols. Multiplication division, 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a. That is root of 1 minus sin a, 1 minus a, both 2 times 1 minus sin a whole square. So here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. A square mean 1 minus b square means sin square a, plus here also same 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a whole square. So here same a minus b into a plus b, or a plus b into a minus anyone. A square minus b square, 1 minus sin square a. Next we take root of 1 minus sin a, numerator and denominator separate, right? Root of 1 minus sin square a, we know already cos square a, plus same model 1 plus sin a whole square. Here also same 1 minus sin square a, that means cos square a. Root separate functions. So square root cancel, square root cancel. Here also square root cancel. Here also square root cancel. After we get 1 minus sin a by cos a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a. So denominators equal, we take numerators only. 1 minus sin a plus 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a. So minus sin a plus sin a cancel. 1 plus 1 mean 1 plus 1 2, 2 by cos a. That mean 2 into 1, 2 into 1 by cos a, 2. So we get answer 2 by cos a, 2 by cos a. C is the answer. C is the answer. First observe the problem. First root of 1 minus sin a by 1 plus cos a, or 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a, anyone, no problem. Root terms take root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus tan. So in this model, root of terms take that is the rationalization is the best method. Rationalization mean plus will be changed minus multiplication, minus will be changed plus multiplication division. So that is the one type of rationalization. Generally rationalization for denominator terms only. Root of 1 minus sin a plus 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a here plus opposite 1 minus sin a. Denominator, numerator, multiplication, division. Here also same. 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Here 1 minus sin a. Take 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a. Numerator and denominator. Next of all, we observe root of 1 minus na, 1 minus na comes 2 times. So 1 minus na whole square. Here also a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b already told a square minus b square. A square mean 1 minus b square means sin square plus root of 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a. 2 times comes, so 1 plus sin a whole square. This one also same, root of a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b. No problem. In multiplication, commutative law. So 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, anyone 6 we get. That's the same way, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So a square mean 1, 1 square mean 1 minus sin square a. After root will be divided two terms, numerator and denominator. So numerator divided root of 1 minus sin a whole square, denominator also root of 1 minus sin square a, already told 1 minus sin square a value cos square a. Next here also same, 1 plus sin a whole square, 1 minus sin square a cos square a. So here 1 minus sin square a, note this, 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a, because of sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, we know that. So write in this sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a, no problem. So 1 minus sin square a means cos square a, square root cancel. Here also same square root cancel. We get 1 minus sin a by cos a, 1 plus sin a by cos a. So as a algebraic basic fundamental, denominators equal. So LCM equal to cos a. Numerators add 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a, minus sin a plus cos a cancellation, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by cos a. This one also write as 2 into 1 by cos, 2 into 1 by cos also 1 by cos, that is 2 into 1 by cos means secant a also answer, another answer also 2 by cos also or 2 secant a, any one answer, but given 2 by cos a, 2 by cos a is the answer. That's all. Another problem, sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b into cos of a minus b, into cos of a minus b, plus sin of a minus b, sin of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a equal to dash, equal to dash. So options given, sin 2a, sin 2a. Second option sin 2b, sin 2b. Third option cos 2a, cos 2a. Fourth option cos 2b, cos 2b, cos 2b. So very simple model. We take first of all given problem sin of a plus b, cos of a minus b, plus sin of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b. We take a plus b take as a plus b take as a minus b take as b. So we convert in the formula a sin a cos b plus here also a minus b take already b, cos of a plus b take as a. So sin a cos b plus sin b cos a. So we know already this formula sin of a plus b. I am already told you in previous class, sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, anyone, no problem. So sin of a plus b, sin a mean a plus b plus b mean a minus b, simple, plus b minus b cancel, sin of a to a, sin 2a is the answer. So sin 2a is the answer. So first of all sin of a plus b cos of a minus b plus sin of a minus b cos of a plus b. We assume a plus b take capital A minus b take only capital B, or small a small b, anyone, no problem, for formula converted. sin b, a minus b already take b, so here also b. Cos of a plus b, here also. So assume sin a cos b plus sin b plus into cos a. So sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, anyone, sin of a plus b formula. So sin of a mean a plus b, assume, plus b mean a minus b, plus b minus b cancel, sin of a plus a 2a, sin 2a is the answer. Sin 2a where a is the answer. That's all. Problem. Next one. If sin theta, if sin theta cos theta equal to 1 by 2, then theta equal to dash, then theta equal to dash. So option A, first option 0 degrees, second option B 30 degrees, third option C 45 degrees, fourth option D 60 degrees, 60 degrees. That is, so given sin theta into cos theta equal to 1 by 2 given, so cross 2 sin theta and cos theta equal to 1. We know 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a formula, sin 2a, we know that in, I am already told this formula in previous classes. So again write here 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a. So sin 2 into a mean here theta, 2 sin theta equal to 1. That is sin 2 theta equal to sin, in sin table sin 90 equal to 1. We know already formula. Sin leave it 2 theta equal to 90, theta equal to 90 by 2, 2 ones 2, 2 4 ja 8, remainder 1, 2 5 ja 10. So theta equal to 45 degrees. So theta equal to 45, that is C is the answer. So very simple. Given sin theta cos theta equal to 1 by 2, cross multiplication, we get cross multiplication 2 sin theta cos theta, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. So we know already this formula 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a. So assume theta a, anyone, no problem. Sin 2a or 2 theta equal to 1, sin 2 theta equal to, in sin table sin 90 equal to 1. So sin 90 write to 1 for 1. Both sides sin function leave it or remove. So 2 sin theta equal to 90, theta equal to 90 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Remainder 1. So 0, that means 10. 2 5s are 10.